Hello everyone, good morning. In today's lecture, the point which is going to cover, which is called as HTML list. Okay, so there are different types of options are available to give a list. Okay, so just see in this word file, there are different options to give a list. So for that, different symbols are used. Okay, so all that symbols are available for mentioning a list. So there in the numbering format, these types of options are available. That is called as a number format. That means we use 1 2 3 or a Roman digits. Okay, so or ABC, that types of numbering is used. Okay, so this is the another list. Okay, that means list library. So in that it contains different subsections. Okay, that means one number, and into that number there is another subsection. So these types of lists are available. So in web programming, that means in a web page there is a facility to add a list. Okay, so there are different formats which is available in HTML. So for example, there is an order list. Okay, suppose we can use digits. Okay, that means Roman digits or any of the number. Okay, so that are called as ordered list. Okay, see this, there is a ordered list. Okay, because there are easily identified. Okay, so when I enter another number, then it contains a number. That means by using from that number the particular value is defined. Okay, म्हणजे 5 नंबरला हा पर्टिक्युलर फिफ्थ आयटम आहे, 3 नंबरला थर्ड आयटम आहे, हे इझिली आयडेंटिफाईड होतं. बट देर इज अनदर टाइप विच इज कॉल्ड ॲज अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट. इन unordered list there is no any number value assigned for the list, so it does not easily identify. That means which number have which particular value. Okay, so याच्यामध्ये easily identify होत नाही. So that's why it is called as unordered list, and these are called as ordered list. Okay, so these are the main two types of list, and from that there is another list which is called as description list. Okay, so what is mean by description list? Suppose there is a first main point, and after that it contains the another sub point. So for that, description lists are used. Okay, so first of all, see one by one. First one is unordered HTML list. Okay, an unordered list starts with UL tag. Okay, see this UL tag. Each list items start with li tag. Okay, so there is a need to use UL tag. Okay, जसं आपण टेबल टॅग एंडिंग आणि स्टार्टिंग अँड एंडिंग आणि त्याच्यामध्ये आपण TR टॅग किंवा TD टॅग यूज करतो. Okay, that type for listing a particular values, there is a need for define UL. Okay, UL stands for unordered list. Okay, and after that the particular values are given in each one line by using li tag. Okay, li tag देऊन प्रत्येक लाईनला एक व्हॅल्यू इथे असाइन करायची आहे. Then second one is ordered list. Only the difference is it starts with OL and end with /OL. Okay, that means only the particular alphabetical difference. Here UL is used and OL means OL, that is ordered list. एवढाच difference आहे, and in between the particular values are assigned using li. Okay, li tag यूज करून मिडलच्या ज्या काही लिस्ट असेल तर ती लिस्ट डिफाईन करायची आहे. ओके, then the another one is description list. Suppose you want to give a description for each item. Okay, म्हणजे एखादा पर्टिक्युलर व्हॅल्यू दिलेली असेल आणि त्याचं पर्टिक्युलर डिस्क्रिप्शन त्याच्यामध्ये मेन्शन करायचं असेल तर त्याच्यामध्ये डिस्क्रिप्शन लिस्ट काय करावी लागते, यूज करावी लागते. ओके, सो सी दिस वन बाय वन हाउ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर टॅग्स आर युज्ड. So first of all, we go with unordered list. Okay, आपण फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट कशी डिफाइन करायची ते बघणार आहोत. For that, I'm taking one notepad file. Okay, so here I'm taking the new file. doc type HTML. Okay, then you can use HTML in then give heading tag in this heading file. Give the title to the page. Okay, heading is given as types of list. So there is the another method where you which is used for giving the list. First of all, we see on order the list. So for that, use UL, okay, and end with UL, okay. That means all the list products are given in this area, that is opening UL tag and closing UL tag, okay. सो याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला जर सर्कल द्यायचा असेल, स्क्वेअर फॉर्मॅट द्यायचा असेल किंवा डिस्क टाईप जर शेप द्यायचा असेल तर याच्यामध्ये ही ऑर्डर लिस्टचा टाईप काय केला जातो, यूज केला जातो. ओके, सो फॉर एक्झाम्पल आय एम गिविंग हिअर LI in bracket, okay, then close LI. Okay, so give only one item in a particular LI tag. Okay, then okay, see this, I'm giving this three particular values in an ordered list. Okay, I'm just saving this program on a desktop. HTML practical list dot HTML. Okay, saving this file. This is the folder where I am saving this program. See this list. Then right click, open with any of the web browser. See this, it contains by default a disk shape. Okay, so it sets the particular value by using this. So suppose you want to change its style, then there is another option which is available for changing this shape. Okay, so I'm just see this, there is a list. Okay, या टाइप मध्ये आपण लिस्ट ऍड करू शकतो. Increase this list. Okay, see this list is appears here. Okay, so these are the disk type. So suppose I want to change this option. So there is 4 options available to design, that is disk type, then another one is circle, then another one is square, and नॉन ऑल ऑफ दीज, याच्यामधले कोणताही ऑप्शन लिस्ट देण्यासाठी अवेलेबल नसणार आहे. तर यापैकी आपण कोणतीही स्टाईल यूज करू शकतो लिस्ट वरती. सो वन ऑफ देम दी स्टाईल इज, सो आय यूज इट हिअर, स्टाईल is equal to in double quote list dash style dash type. So use this style option, that means property of the UL tag, to set the particular shape of that list. Okay, so I'm choosing here circle, then just save it by using Control S. Okay, okay, by pressing Control S, otherwise save from here, okay. And after that go to the web browser and just refresh it, okay. So these shapes are changed here, okay. तुम्हाला बघू शकता की हे चेंज झालेलं आहे शेप, ओके. पण याच्यामध्ये मस्ट आहे की तुम्ही जेव्हा एखाद्या नोटपॅड फाईल मध्ये चेंज करता तेव्हा तो कंट्रोल एस ने सेव्ह करायचा किंवा फाईल मधून सेव्ह करणं इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, ओके. विदाउट सेव्हिंग दिस फाईल चेंजेस आर नॉट एक्झिक्युटेड ऑन अ पर्टिक्युलर वेब पेज ऑन अ वेब ब्राउझर, ओके. म्हणजे वेब ब्राउझर मध्ये ते चेंजेस होत नाहीत जोपर्यंत तुम्ही हे नोटपॅड फाईल अगेन सेव्ह करत नाही तोपर्यंत, ओके. म्हणजे चेंज केल्यानंतर. So there is the another option which is circle, okay. Suppose I want to this list in a square format, okay. मला हा जो काही लिस्ट फॉर्मॅट आहे तर तो स्क्वेअर फॉर्मॅट मध्ये हवाय, तर याच्यामध्ये मी इझिली मेन्शन करणार आहे SQUARE, okay, that is square. Just save this, go to the browser and just refresh it. So these list are changes in a square format, okay. Suppose I want to use here none, that means no any of the list option is used here. Here the list particular symbols are removed from here, so it can't understand this is a list. So that's why use any of the symbol which is available, that means disc, circle or square, okay. So just again see, this is an unordered list. That means in unordered list you can't use any of the number, okay. याच्यामध्ये number use केला जात नाही unordered list मध्ये. So you can use any of the symbol, that is disc, square or circle, okay. So this is called as unordered list. Then the another type is ordered list, okay. So see this. So I'm using here HTML list. So in there is unordered list. So in unordered list, you can use shape like first one is disc, then second one is square, or the another one is this square and circle, otherwise none. यापैकी कोणताही आपण शेप यूज करणार नाही, तर ह्या टाइप चार टाइपचे आपण शेप्स यूज करू शकतो, लक्षात आलं. Then another one is ordered list. So ordered list is one of the type which is used in a web page because it contains a particular sequence. So for that I'm taking the new file, okay. Then see the program. The set of all linear combinations of vectors v1, v2 up to vn is called as a span of vectors. That is, span is equal to v1, v2 up to vn, and that is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to n ki vn. Okay, where your n is belongs to your natural numbers and ki is equal to n. This is the ordered list. Okay, then in a body tag use OL tag, okay. OL stands for ordered list, okay. So open it and close it, so there is no need to check tab is closed or not, okay. So in OL take LI, okay, and I am taking all the options as it is here, that is FY BSc, and another one is not unique state, but if there are two states V1, V2, Vn and V1 and V2, which are generators of V, then they have the same number of elements. Okay, okay, I'm taking the another one also. Your state V1 and V2 are the generators of V. Then they have the same number of elements in their system, right? Now, for example, your R square दिलेला आहे, B is equal to काय दिलेला आहे, तर 1 Okay, see this. This is the ordered list. Okay, so just check it. What are the output of this program? Just save this program. Ordered list dot html. So you can use any of the name as you want for saving the file. Okay, just minimize it. This is the ordered list. Open with browser. See this. By default, it takes the numbering as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it takes the numbers, and it is the by default listing which is used for ordered list. Okay, so this is the default numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there are different another listing options are also available. So for ordered list, there are the options just like by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just like this. Okay, this is the first one. Then another one is A, B, that means alphabets. These types of listings are also available. Then the another one is small letters. So these types of listing is also available. Okay, then the another one is Roman digits. These types of listing is also available, or you can use small Roman numbers. Okay, so these types of listings are also available. So you can use any of the listing type as you want in your web page. Okay, so by default here numbers are used. Suppose you want to change its type, then only the attribute of OL tag, that is this is आता OL tag जिथे स्टार्ट होते तर त्या टॅग मध्ये आपल्याला हा टाइप मेन्शन करावा लागतो. सो गिव इट हिअर टाइप which is equal to, suppose you want to use capital A type, that means alphabets. Okay, uppercase letters, so mention it here in a double quote. Okay, double quote मध्ये mention करायचे. Just save this file, go to the web browser and refresh it. See this listing is changes to A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, just I'm changing or adding this value, that is type is equal to A. Suppose I want to change it to small letters. Okay, then change it, save this and go to the web browser, refresh it. Listing is changes here. Suppose I want to take it here small Roman digits, then save it and refresh it. Listing changes here. So this type of ordered list are used like this. Okay, याच्यामध्ये ordered list आपण या टाइप मध्ये काय करू शकतो, यूज करू शकतो. ओके, समजलेलं आहे दोन लिस्टिंग टाइप्स. ओके, कोणी काही आन्सर करत नाहीये, सो मी नेक्स्ट पार्ट घेते. देन दी अनदर वन इज डिस्क्रिप्शन लिस्ट. सो डिस्क्रिप्शन लिस्ट इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ टर्म्स विथ अ डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ ईच टर्म. ओके, सो डिस्क्रिप्शन याच्यामध्ये मेंटेन केलं जातं. देन दी DL tag defines the description list. ओके, डिस्क्रिप्शन लिस्ट साठी जसं इथे DL यूज म्हणजे जसं ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट साठी OL यूज केलेलं आहे. OL tag is used for unordered list. UL tag is used for description list. Here DL tag is used. So DL tag is used and again the DT tag defines the term name. Okay, so that is the heading, and after that in heading file, a heading list, there are another sub points that are comes under DD. Okay, म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये डिस्क्रिप्शन आपण देऊ शकतो. ओके, सो दॅट डिस्क्रिप्शन इज given like this. Okay, so see this how this description list is used here.
प्लस 4 बीटा. ओके, आणि ह्या ज्या टर्म्स फाइंड करून झाल्या नंतर पुढची टर्म काय असणार आहे x इज इक्वल टू जो कॉन्स्टंट आहे तो फाइंड करायचा. ओके, आणि हे दोन्ही पण x1 x इज इक्वल टू मिळालं अल्फा प्लस 3 नंतर y इज इक्वल टू काय मिळालं 2 बीटा प्लस 4 सॉरी 2 अल्फा प्लस 4 बीटा. ओके, ह्या दोन्ही टर्म्स मिळाल्यानंतर we are multiplying 2 with your x plus 2 into alpha plus 6 into beta. And then you have to subtract 2x minus 4 divided by 2 which is equal to plus beta beta is value. And नंतर आपण काय करू शकतो तर बीटाची व्हॅल्यू जी आहे.
So in body tag, use the description list. So this tag is start with DL tag, close with DL tag. Okay. So all the lists are given here. So for that, use these types of listing. Just like I'm just copy this as it is DT, DD, TT, DD. Okay. Okay, two options are available, dt, dt. Okay, and description is given here. Just save this file having a description list .html. Save this.
स्पॅनवरती एक 5 मार्काचा क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला एक्झाम मध्ये पडतो एक्झाममध्ये एक्झामचा खूप मोठी 10 मार्काचा 5 मार्काचा क्वेश्चन
description list. Open with browser. See this types of list with description is like this. Okay, या टाइपचे आपण description देऊ शकतो. Okay. Are you understand these types of list?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the another one is main important point, which is image mapping. Okay, so all of you know about how to insert an image. Okay, so याच्यामध्ये इमेज कशी इन्सर्ट करायची मी तुम्हाला परवा दाखवलं होतं की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण IMG टॅग यूज करून काय करू शकतो, इमेज इन्सर्ट करू शकतो. ओके, पण याच्यामध्ये काय काय आहे तर आपल्याला इमेज मधून सुद्धा काय करावं लागेल की असं एक एरिया कन्सिडर करावा लागेल की त्या एरियावरती क्लिक केल्यानंतर आपल्याला दुसरं पेज ओपन झालं पाहिजे. दॅट आर कॉल्ड ॲज इमेज मॅपिंग. Okay, so first of all, see how that image mapping is work. Okay, so pictures, logos, and other graphical effects are placed into a document and using the IMG tag. Okay, that means IMG tag we are used and the pictures, graphics, and multimedia objects enhance the look and feel of a website, because most of the websites are depends upon these particular medias, just like pictures, graphics files, or the another multimedia objects that are available on a website. So there is a need to add these types of multimedias. Okay, आणि त्यामुळे काय होऊ शकतं तर वेबसाईट ही अट्रॅक्टिव्ह होऊ शकते. सो जस्ट वी सी ऑलरेडी सीन हाऊ टू इन्सर्ट अँड इमेज. आपण ऑलरेडी इमेज कशी इन्सर्ट करायची हे याच्यामध्ये बघितलेलं आहे. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज see this list which is give the simple tag and its description. Okay, then the next one is image mapping. So image mapping is what? So when image is insert on a web page, then there are particular areas of on that image. Okay, so when we click on that particular area on that image, the another page is open. म्हणजे त्या पर्टिक्युलर एरियावरती आपण क्लिक केल्यानंतर नेक्स्ट पेज काय झालं पाहिजे, ओपन झालं पाहिजे. ओके, तर त्या फॉर्मॅटमध्ये आपण हे करणार आहोत. तर आता बघायचं आहे की आपल्याला ते कसं करायचं आहे. ओके, सो जस्ट सी.
तो स्ट्रेट लाइन से राइट ना स्ट्रेट लाइन से इक्वेशन कशा फॉर्ममध्ये असतं x plus b x plus y is equal to c म्हणजे कॉन्स्टंट ओके किंवा हे आपलं काय आहे इन जनरल इक्वेशन आपल्याला स्ट्रेट लाइन से मिळतं राइट ना स्ट्रेट लाइन इज अ सोल्यूशन
heading is given as image mapping. Okay,
it is a straight line equation solution set of the homogeneous linear equation okay we will find how to solve them okay आता पुढे काय दिलंय बघा understanding the solution note x is equal to b is a general linear system of equation where a is equal to select matrix select x is equal to काय दिलेलं आहे exponential of xn हा एक matrix दिलेला आहे and b is equal to काय दिलेलं आहे b1 b2 up to bn
okay. So here I'm going to use the map tag. For that, use map in bracket name is equal to, so I want to give it here main, then end it here, then place the area shape is equal to poly. Okay, then href which is equal to, so I use here list.html. so already हे pages मी create केलेले आहेत त्यामुळे मी तेच pages as a reference म्हणून इथे use करते आहे. Sorry, list.html. okay, then COORDS, that means coordinates. Okay, so use this COORDS, that means it sets the particular area for that particular shape, that is called as polygon. Okay, polygon shape असणार आहे आणि त्या शेप वरती क्लिक केल्यानंतर मला list.html ही फाईल काय होणार आहे, ओपन होणार आहे किंवा वेब पेज ओपन होणार आहे. So for that, how the coordinates are used for that polygon, that means which coordinates. So here the particular values is given here. So these coordinates are used here. Suppose 16, then another one is 8, 99, 92. So these types of polygons are used here, and just close this. Okay, then enter. Copy this line. So for that I'm using the another shape. So I'm using here circle. Okay, then href file is ordered list, order.html, because I'm already creating this, and use 4 coordinates for this. Suppose 306 and another one is 288. Okay, so these coordinates are used for area shape, area like a circle. Then the another shape I want to use default. I want to use here description list. Okay, and coordinates are not mentioned here, just give the default. Okay, so default option is given here. So this is the mapping. At the end of the area tag, close the map tag. Okay, so I'm closing this. Just save this. Save. Okay. Just wait. there is a need to insert an image. Okay, so after that options are present here. For that, insert image by using IMG SRC, that I already show you. IMG SRC is equal to, in double bracket, set the image path here. So where it is image, there is any of the image. Okay, so this nature. Okay, I'm taking this e:/nature.jpg. Okay, I'm taking this image, then set its width. ओके, आपल्याला एखाद्या इमेजची विड्थ हाईट सेट करता येऊ शकते. जर तुम्हाला ते सेट करायचं असेल तर ते तुम्ही करू शकता. 150 हाईट, set it. So you change it as you want at any size. Alt means suppose your image is not open, then the alternative word is shown on the screen, and use it here, use map. Okay, so because we want to use in a mapping concept. Okay, म्हणजे आपल्याला हे मॅपिंग करायची आहे इमेज. ओके, इथे आपल्याला मॅप करायचं आहे, याच्यामध्ये शेप त्याच्यामध्ये डिझाईन करायचं आहे, त्यामुळे आपल्याला यूज मॅप करणं इथे काय करायचं आहे, मस्ट आहे. दॅट मीन्स देर इज अ नीड टू ऍड यूज मॅप. ओके, सो यूज मॅप, and in double quote there is a need to assign hash and the another mapping name. Okay, so I mention it here, map name is equal to main. Okay, map name is equal to main, so that's why use map, that is called as MAIN. ओके, परत एकदा बघा, इथं जे मी नेम दिलेलं असेल तर तेच नेम तुम्हाला इथं यूज करायचं आहे, दॅट इज हॅश मेन. ओके, अँड आफ्टर दॅट क्लोज दिस इमेज टॅग. ओके, आता ही इमेज इन्सर्ट केल्यानंतर आपण यूज मॅप मेन दिलेला आहे आणि मेन मध्ये आपण हा डेटा लिहिलेला आहे. ओके, जस्ट सेव्ह दिस. सी दिस इमेज. ओके, ही इमेज इथे ओपन झालेली आहे.